opening a Hatchimal.
Here, let me show them.
And your other thing?
I already opened. Yeah,
And there's a little cupcake thing where it's like a cupcake and you can open the top and it's like a doll inside. And we think we know which one she got.
First, I'm gonna open the Hatchimal.
We'll show you at the end of the video which one we think she got. Because if she got the different one, we can tell you. And we both opened our things.
No, I didn't.
Well, she almost opened it all.
Yeah,
But I opened my toy and it was like a genie and you can take the glittery skirt off.
I'm thinking there's a mermaid and it's so pretty.
Preston, get in it. Sit back.
Oh yeah.
And you can take these off, but there's like rubber bands on the front, so I have to get those off. Yeah, weird.
It's called I think
Can I hold it?
Here, let me see it.
Puffer.
She got a little puffer fish thing.
I'm gonna finish opening my.
And these are the clothes that come off.
Here, Shayla.
I'm gonna finish opening my
the glittery
cupcake.
skirt, and this goes like on the front, so it was like
It's it.
on there.
in her hand.
Guys, I'm gonna open my cupcake. I'm so excited. Got it, Dawson.
You got the one.
I want it.
Dawson,
start
she
it.
got the one she wanted, Dawson. Dawson.
I was listening.
Taylor, what'd you get? Can I see it to show the camera?
No, I'm showing the camera.
Well, I have to show it up close. Are you ready?
Grandma,
And it comes with a brush, Taylor.
Grandma, after this, guys, can we just go to the
Okay, now I'm opening my thing. Okay, so I opened mine. Now I have this thing.
Yeah, you can lean up here and look. What is this?
It's like this slime thing.
Oh, gross.
It's supposed to be stretchy slime. Or fluffy slime, I think.
Oh my gosh. Is it really making you excited?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Is it really making you
Touch it.
Come on, little pufferfish. I'm getting a new fish today, so I gotta go to the store. Bye, friend.
Buy some friends.
Bye, friend. I mean.
Oh, bye, friend.
Okay. Bye.
See ya.
That's broke. No, it ripped. No, I'm putting it on. Oh. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna come back.
Gonna
later.
put this in.
So it goes, it's a holder for it.
I got a new fish.
Okay.
Look at it.
Oh, that is pretty cool.
You said you were getting
It costs a lot to make that slime, especially that fluffy one, so that's a big deal right there. It's got a holder.
Okay, so now I'm gonna open my other thing.
What is it?
under my dress.
Yeah, Kylie has one like this from Toy Mania.
Oh my goodness.
I want to cut it open, but I don't want to.
Oh, that's weird.
I don't think you'd want all that stuff all over you.
Okay,